Hi everyone, my name is Xin Hui. Xin is my first name and Hui is my last name. It spells like Xinhui. I'm an international student and I'm 18 years old. I'm a freshman here at OSU. I come from China, Beijing, and have lived and studied in Beijing for 18 years, which means that I've never been abroad and live on my own. While deciding which university I should go, I want to choose a university which provides more major options and a variety of cultures and activities. Since OSU is a public school which includes almost all majors and have a large amount of clubs, I believe that I can find what I'm really interested here. And I'm going to study biology. I've taken chemistry 1210 and math 1151 in my first semester, and I believe it will be a great start point for me. I've got the chance to learn biology in my junior high school where I learned the structures of plants and animals, and I've got a chance to do these sections on my own, which is really excited. I've also got a chance to enter a scientific expedition team, and we've entered the rainforest and we've done the investigation on native plants and insects, which is also really excited. I'm also interested in watercolor painting, and I've collected a lot of pens. For example, some of them are made from plants and others are from stones. The pen which is made from plants have a really bright color, and those made from stones can form a really amazing texture on the paper due to the small grains in it. And I've also tried different type of combinations in order to make my words more interesting. I'm really excited about joining the OSU family, as everyone here is so nice, and I've received helps from my classmates, my friends, and my professors. It gave me a feeling of home. However, it is sometimes hard to understand what those native speakers are talking about, and it's therefore difficult to join their conversations. I'm also worrying about whether I can manage my time properly and get good grades in my classes. There's still a lot of things that I have to learn and get used to.